Welcome to our channel, where today we'll guide you through the basics of personal finance. Whether you're just starting out or looking to get a better handle on your money, this video is for you. Let's dive right in and help you take control of your financial future. Section 1. Why personal finance matters. Personal finance is all about managing your money effectively. It's not just about budgeting, it includes saving, investing, planning for the future, and understanding how to use credit wisely. By getting the basics right, you'll have more financial freedom and less stress. Imagine being able to pay off your debts, save for a vacation, or invest for retirement, all by making smart choices with your money. Section 2. Step 1. Create a budget. The first step to mastering personal finance is to create a budget. A budget helps you track your income and expenses so you can see where your money is going. Start by listing your monthly income, including your salary and any side hustle earnings. Then, write down your expenses, such as rent, groceries, utilities, and entertainment. Now, subtract your expenses from your income. If you have money left over, that's great. You can put it towards savings or investments. If your expenses are higher than your income, it's time to cut back on non-essential spending. Remember, the key to a good budget is sticking to it. Section 3. Step 2. Build an emergency fund. Once you've got your budget in place, it's time to start building an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a savings account that you use only in case of unexpected expenses, like a car repair or medical bill. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This may sound like a lot, but start small. Even $500 can be a lifesaver in an emergency. To build your emergency fund faster, try setting up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account every month. This way, you'll save without even thinking about it. Section 4. Step 3. Manage your debt. Debt can be a big obstacle on your financial journey. The best way to tackle it is by paying off high-interest debts first, like credit card balances. Use the debt snowball method, where you pay off your smallest debts first and then roll those payments into your larger debts. This method gives you quick wins and keeps you motivated. Try to avoid taking on new debt while you're working on paying off existing debt. Instead, focus on living within your means and using cash whenever possible. Section 5. Step 4. Start investing early. Once you've got your debt under control and an emergency fund in place, it's time to start investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. You don't need a lot of money to get started. Even investing a small amount each month can make a big difference over time. Consider investing in index funds, which are a type of investment that tracks the performance of a specific market index, like the S&P 500. Index funds are a great option for beginners because they are low cost and have a track record of long-term growth. And there you have it, Personal Finance 101. By following these 4 steps, you'll be well on your way to a healthier financial future. Remember, managing your money isn't about being perfect, it's about making small, consistent choices that lead to big results over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.